I'm going to videotape a few more minutes, so hang in there, Nelly. I'm going to try videotaping without the bag over the camcorder, see how I make out. See if I can get these. On the zoom. Yeah, I'm gonna walk down here now. This fella. Okay, let's see if I can get this lightning bolt for you. Boy, how does that compare with my 728-89 T-Storm Extravaganza? Boy, I tell you, this is even better than the ones from yesterday. Today's date again is 3/4/18. Again, in my videos, I kept on saying I hate the song I haven't found looking for by the group U2 because I can never find anything. However, back in the summer of '85, the group Survivor had a hit called The Search Is Over. How's that? I like that song. This time of the year in 1985, they had a hit called High on You. Reminds me of my wonderful Ixtapa, Mexico trip. I was on it just 33 years ago. My fond memories of that trip. And of course, the biggest highlight of that trip was I really had a crush on this violent thunderstorm sex babe named Stacy McGrath. Had dreams of her many times since 3/18/85. And by the way, 3/18/85 was the 60th anniversary of the day of the tri-state tornado that tore through 3 states, Missouri, Indiana, and Illinois on 3/18/1925. More chart stuff for the weatherman's buff. Battery light is already on the camcorder now. The batteries don't last very long. So I got other batteries. It's almost time to stop anyway. Sorry, I'll just keep on videoing until we talk. Alright, we'll probably stop here. We'll go to the other beach now. Since I started coming here, this is the first time ever. I've been here 2 days in a row. Alright. I don't know why the battery light is back on. Maybe it's cold. See if I can capture some more waves before the battery light really goes to the next level. Alright, I think we'll stop here. I got a beautiful set of waves about 3 minutes ago. Alright, that's all for now.